All right, it's the treatment Thursday for the groin pain we were talking about on Monday, this muscle adductor group. And today we're gonna keep it short and sweet. We're just gonna go over a couple pretty basic stretches. These are good general stretches for any muscle in this group. The first one that I pretty much always will give people is you just get into a wide stance, feet wider than shoulder width apart. And let's say that my right side is the side I'm feeling that tightness on. You're just gonna lunge off to the left side. You're gonna keep that right leg completely straight, and you should feel a pull through the middle of your leg or through the groin area there. And then I always have patients, you can kind of move those hips forward or you can move those hips back a little bit, and you'll feel that kind of move around on the inside of the groin there, and you're hitting some of those different, because remember there's 5 different adductor muscles, so you're kind of changing the angle of pull, hitting those different muscles, so you find which one's really feeling like it needs it, and then you just kind of sit there for 30 seconds. The other way that you can stretch this is you can actually get down on all fours in what's called a quadruped position. And then if you just tuck one leg out to the side, you're still gonna keep that pelvis nice and level as you can. And then you're gonna just sit back so that you're putting your butt on your heels. And this is gonna be a little bit more of an intense stretch than that initial one I was talking about. But that is a little bit of a stronger stretch. So start with that first one, and then if you're feeling like you're just not quite getting enough out of that, try progressing to the next one. Those are a couple really good home stretches for those adductor muscles. I hope this helped somebody who's been struggling with a little bit of that groin pain and just feels like it's always tight and needs stretched out. See you next week for another Muscle Monday.